Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 5.73UR engine is a workhorse V8 primarily designed for Toyota's full-size trucks and SUVs, including the Tundra, Sequoia, Land Cruiser, US, Middle East, and LHD African markets, and Lexus LX 570. It's renowned for its robust build, impressive power, and legendary Toyota reliability. History and versions. The 3UR FE is part of the UR engine family, which succeeded the UZ series starting in 2006. The 3UR FE specifically debuted in 2007 with the second-generation Toyota Tundra. 3UR FE. This is the most common version. It features a 5.7-liter, 5,663 cubic centimeters, displacement, dual overhead cams, DOHC, and dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust. It produces around 381 horsepower, 284 kilowatts, at 5,600 RPM and 401 lb-ft, 544 Nm, of torque at 3,600 RPM, with a compression ratio of 10.2 to 1. It uses port fuel injection. 3UR FB. This version is capable of running on E85 ethanol fuel, in addition to regular gasoline. It was offered in some Tundra and Sequoia models from 2009 to 2014. For a period, Toyota Racing Development, TRD, offered a bolt-on Eaton Twin Vortices Roots-type supercharger kit for the 3UR FE, significantly boosting power to around 504 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque. Review and opinions. The 3UR engine is largely seen as a highly successful and reliable V8. Owners and critics often praise it for robustness and durability. It's often referred to as bulletproof and capable of very high mileage with proper maintenance. Many owners report 200,000, 300,000, and even 500,000 plus miles. Strong power and torque. It provides ample power for heavy-duty applications, including towing, hauling, and off-roading, making it suitable for the large vehicles it powers. Proven reliability. It embodies Toyota's reputation for building dependable engines, offering peace of mind to owners. Timing chain. Its use of a timing chain instead of a belt reduces long-term maintenance costs and concerns. Traditional V8 feel. As a naturally aspirated V8, it offers linear power delivery and a satisfying, albeit not overly aggressive, exhaust note. Some opinions, especially in light of newer, more fuel-efficient powertrains, might point to its less advanced technology compared to some modern turbocharged engines. However, for many, its simplicity and proven reliability are major advantages. Advantages: exceptional durability, built to withstand heavy use and accumulate high mileage. High reliability, very few catastrophic failures reported. Strong towing and hauling capability, more than adequate power for its intended use. Timing chain, no costly timing belt replacements needed. Relatively simple design, lacks some of the complex, failure-prone systems found in other modern engines. Widespread use. Parts and expertise are readily available due to its long production run and use in popular models. Disadvantages. Fuel consumption. As a large 5.7 V8, it is not fuel efficient. This is perhaps its biggest drawback, especially for those prioritizing fuel economy. Less advanced technology. Compared to newer turbocharged V6S or even some competitors' V8S, it lacks direct injection in the FE version and other fuel-saving technologies. Some known issues. While generally reliable, there are a few recurring problems. See faults and breakdowns. Faults and breakdowns. While robust, the 3UR FE does have some known common issues that can arise, particularly at higher mileages. Coolant valley leak. Heat exchanger leak. This is arguably the most commonly reported issue. The gasket or sealant for the valley plate, located in the V of the engine block where the heat exchanger resides, can degrade over time, leading to coolant leaks. This can cause corrosion and requires intake manifold removal to fix. Cam tower leaks. cam carrier leaks the sealant between the camshaft towers, also called cam carriers, and the cylinder heads can develop leaks. This is often a slow seep rather than a major gush, but can become noticeable over time. It can be a labor-intensive repair. Timing chain, tensioner ticking. Cold start. Some owners report a ticking sound from the timing chain, especially on cold starts. This is often attributed to a malfunctioning tensioner on the driver's side chain. While noisy, it rarely leads to chain failure, but a loud, persistent tick may warrant attention. Regular oil changes can help. Water pump leaks. The water pump is a wear item that can develop leaks over time, requiring replacement. Early valve spring issues. 2007 to 2008 models, very early versions of the 3URFE, specifically 2007 to 2008, had some reported issues with valve springs breaking, which could lead to severe engine damage. Toyota likely addressed this in subsequent model years with revised parts. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption is a primary concern for many with the 3URFE. Given its size and the heavy vehicles it powers, it's not a miser. Real-world mileage varies significantly based on vehicle type: Tundra, Sequoia, Land Cruiser / LX570, driving conditions, and driver habits. City typically ranges from 12 to 15 mpg, miles per gallon, or 16 to 20 L/100 km. Highway can reach 16 to 18 mpg, or potentially a bit higher with very careful driving, e.g., 13 to 15 L/100 km. Combined, often in the 14 to 16 mpg range. Towing or hauling heavy loads will significantly drop these figures. Timing. The Toyota 5.73 FE engine utilizes a timing chain system. This is a significant advantage as timing chains are designed for the life of the engine, typically not requiring replacement like timing belts. This contributes to lower long-term maintenance costs and greater reliability. Oil. Recommended oil type. Toyota generally recommends 0W20 synthetic motor oil for the 3UR FE to maximize fuel economy and cold weather performance. If 0W20 is not available, 5W20 can be used temporarily but should be replaced with 0W20 at the next oil change. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Oil capacity. The oil capacity for the 3UR FE is typically around 8.5 US quarts, approximately 8.1 liters, with a filter change. Oil change interval. Toyota recommends oil changes every 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers, or 12 months for synthetic oil under normal driving conditions. For severe duty, e.g., heavy towing, dusty conditions, extreme temperatures, frequent short trips, more frequent changes, e.g., every 5,000 miles or 6 months, are advisable. In conclusion, the Toyota 5.73 FE engine is a highly regarded, robust, and dependable V8, forming the backbone of Toyota's full-size truck and SUV lineup for many years. While its fuel economy is its main drawback, its legendary reliability, strong performance, and timing chain design make it an excellent choice for those prioritizing durability and capability. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.